प्रणाम। कैसे हैं आप?
बहुत बढ़िया।
फोटो लो।
एक फोटो लेंगे?
हाँ हाँ, क्यों नहीं।
सचदेव जी, एक फोटो।
लगता है पुराने लोगों की थोड़ी बहुत इज्जत अभी बाकी है। आते हैं।
अमन, एक अच्छे सा फोटो लेंगे? एक और।
विमल, ये जो कुछ भी हो रहा है ना, ठीक नहीं हो रहा है। उस प्रभाकर को देखकर मुझे चिढ़ होती है। कल का आया छोकरा कितना नाम हो गया उसका आश्रम।
Good morning to Madam Hartini. My name is Muhammad Nushan Mihrmi and I will present about the problem. What is the problem? The problem is overcoming a negative mindset involves recognizing negative thoughts, challenging them, and replacing them with positive or constructive ones. Techniques like mindfulness, cognitive reframing, and focusing on gratitude can help shift perspective. Consistent practice and seeking support from others can also aid in cultivating a more positive mindset over time.
I am the second presenter for this presentation and my name is Nurul Atifah Roslani Ayub. My matrix number is 05DPM21F2006. So for the solving method from the video is the first one, the boss is delegating the task to the workers based on their individual capabilities. For example, when Swamiji asked Sachdevi to find a good person and Prabhaka to find a bad person, but they both didn't manage to find it because of their mindsets. This approach can be efficient and effective as it ensures that the tasks are assigned to those who are best suited to complete them successfully. It also helps in maximizing productivity and achieving better results. So the second one is maintaining a positive outlook about how people treat you can greatly impact your well-being and relationship. For example, like Sachdevi thinking that the customer wants to take a picture with him, but instead the customer asks him to take a picture of them with Prabhaka. And also, when the boss always asks about Prabhaka instead of asking about Sachdevi, it fosters a healthier mindset, encourage empathy, and can lead to more positive interaction and outcomes. Even in challenging situations, focusing on positive interpretations can help improve resilience and promote constructive communication. So the third one is to promote open communication. Encourage coworkers to express their feeling and concern in a respectful manners. For example, how Sachdevi tells Swamiji about he felt that Swamiji is being unfair with him and his other coworkers. This can create opportunities for honest dialogue to address underlying issues. Thank you.
For develop alternative for decision making, we have three alternatives here. The first one is brainstorming, second pro and cons list, and the third is decision metric. The first one, brainstorming, when all the members think about the problem solving, and the second is pro and cons list, where we do the comparison about the situation between negative and positive. The third is decision metric, when we take an action and do and create the option to solve the problem. After develop alternative, we should evaluate the alternative to know is the alternative feasible. The alternative is satisfactory. The alternative consequences affordable and written for further consideration. This is for help us to know the alternative is function or not to solve the problem.
Next, I will explain about what is the best method to solve the problem. From the previous slide, I will choose method 2 because it's maintaining a positive outlook about how people treat you can greatly impact your well-being and relationship. For example, like Sachdev thinking that the customer want to take a picture with him, but instead the customer asks him to take a picture of them with Prabhakar, and also when the boss always asks about Prabhakar instead of asking about Sukhdev. It's foster a healthier mindset, encourage empathy, and can lead to more positive interaction and outcomes. Even in challenging situations, focusing on positive interpretation can help improve resilience and promote constructive communication. That's all from me. Thank you.
For suggestion implementation, the first one is understanding the problem. Make sure understanding of the problem you are trying to solve. Break it down into smaller, more manageable tasks if necessary. The second one is design the solution. Create a high-level design for your solution. Consider factors like performance. And the third is write the code. Start implementing your solution by writing code according to your design. Break down the implementation into smaller modules or functions to make it more manageable and easier to test. And the fourth is test thoroughly. Write tests to verify that your solution works as expected, includes unit tests, integration tests, and any other necessary tests to cover all aspects of your implementation. 5 is refactor and optimize. Once your solution is working, review your code for any areas that can be improved. Refactor your code to make it cleaner, more readable, and more efficient. 6 is document your code. This is the last of suggestion. Document your code thoroughly to make it easier for others and yourself to understand and maintain in the future.
Hi, my name is Toby Hudson. The suggested metering method that I suggest is to get a diary. It's in this sense, it's not diary to record what you did every day, but the first one is to monitor any behavior changes, right? If they get rude or get any other attitudinal changes, which is mostly negatively, they can record it. And second is this diary need to be recorded on daily basis. Not to record what you do every day, but to record the behavior changes or attitude in your everyday life, right? And third is to serve and take action, which means that they can check on their attitude or behavior, and then they can take action whether they want to change their attitude and so forth. And the fourth is can make self-improvement. From what we record on the diary, we can make self-improvement, or we can give a impression about ourselves whether I am behaving good or not today. And the last one is to serve as a guide to behave correctly and maintain good attitude, which means that if we take as an example, if we behave badly yesterday or last 2 days, we can make it as a guide to improve ourselves, our attitude. That's all for this part. Thank you. The 3 negative attitudes shown in the video is, the first one is rude or rudeness. As we can see that Sukhdev is very rude, is not very rude, but we can see him as a rude to his boss, which is Mr. Swamiji, his own employer. We can see that how he want to express or ask his boss to give him an opportunity to become more better than Prabhakar, but how the way he express is look like rude for me personally. And the second one is arrogant. Sukhdev and Vimal is a very arrogant person. This is because they assume themselves as a senior in that workplace, and Prabhakar is just a junior who just came by and worked there. So they expect Prabhakar to respect both of them and treat them more and treat them more better than others, but the otherwise they act arrogant. And the last one is jealousy. This can be seen when Sachdev and Bimal, when in the car scene, they talk about Prabhakar. They become jealous because Prabhakar have all the attention from whether the customers or visitors and even from their own employers, Mr. Swamiji. That's all from me. Thank you.
So, the 5 positive attitudes to new habit for the video is the first one, empathy. It is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It involves putting yourself in someone else's shoes, seeing things from their perspective, and experiencing their emotion. Empathy also allows individuals to connect with others on a deeper level, showing compassion, kindness, and support. It is an essential skill for building meaningful relationships, fostering understanding, and promoting cooperation and empathy in society. The second one is optimism, a positive affirmation or visualization techniques to train your mind to see the brighter side of the situation. So the third one is kindness. Incorporate acts of kindness into your daily routine, whether it's helping your coworker, complimenting your coworker achievement, or volunteering for any social activities. These small acts not only benefits for others but also can boost your own happiness. So for the fourth one, respect. Cultivating a culture for respect involves treating your colleagues, clients, and the CEO with dignity. Professionalism and consideration, a respectful behavior can foster trust and positive work environment where everyone feels valued and appreciated. And the last one is the effective communication. Strong communication skills are essential for relationship building in a workplace. Employees who are communicate effectively express their ideas clearly, listen actively to others, and facilitate productive discussion. So that's all from us. Thank you.